How to start running for beginners on treadmill. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular health, lose weight, or just get active, running on a treadmill is a convenient and effective option. So let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to warm up properly. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes doing some light stretching and gentle movements to prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Now that we're warmed up, let's set up the treadmill. First, adjust the speed and incline to a level that suits your fitness level. As a beginner, start with a comfortable speed, maybe around 3 to 4 miles per hour, and a flat or slightly inclined surface. You can always increase the intensity as you progress. Now, the most important thing when starting out is to listen to your body. Begin with a slow jog or brisk walk, and gradually increase your speed and intensity. Focus on maintaining good posture, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and landing softly on your feet. When it comes to running form, it's important to strike a balance between efficiency and injury prevention. Aim for a mid-foot strike, where your foot lands between the heel and ball of your foot. Avoid overstriding or landing heavily on your heels, as this can put unnecessary stress on your joints. Another important aspect of running is breathing. Focus on taking deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This will help you maintain a steady rhythm and prevent side stitches. As a beginner, start with shorter durations, maybe around 10 to 15 minutes, and gradually increase your running time as your fitness improves. The key is to find a pace and duration that challenges you but is still manageable. Interval training can also be beneficial for beginners. This involves alternating between periods of higher intensity running and slower recovery periods. For example, you could do 1 to 2 minutes of running at a faster pace, followed by 1 to 2 minutes of walking or slower jogging. This helps build endurance and improves cardiovascular fitness. Remember, running is not just about the physical aspect, it's also important to stay mentally engaged. Listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks can help make your treadmill workouts more enjoyable. You can also vary your workouts by incorporating incline changes, speed intervals, or even watching your favorite TV show or movie. Lastly, don't forget to cool down and stretch after your workout. Spend a few minutes walking at a slower pace to gradually bring your heart rate down. Then, perform some post-run stretches to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. And that's it on how to start running for beginners on a treadmill. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate running into your weekly routine. Start slow, listen to your body, and gradually progress. Before you know it, you'll be running with ease and reaping the benefits of this fantastic exercise. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.